What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to the stream. And we are looking at the Nazdaq like usual for the day. Kind of my analysis, if we can get you guys. So I do have a swing low here, swing low here, swing high, swing higher, high here. We were looking at possibilities of it dipping, and then I think I might be bullish for the day. We did trade down into a discount during Asia London session. We traded lower, and then we had a break of structure here. The high would dip down, went higher. I think we might get a judo swing in this little fair value gap. Might get like a little manipulation into this fair value gap, and then I would like to see price at least touch here and then up to here, at least that certain area. We are in a consolidating market. Let's see, buy side. We are in consolidation. As you can see, we are yesterday's low, and then let me do this actually. This was before yesterday's low. Before today. I don't know how to say that. It was the 19th, so yeah, February 19th low, February 19th high. Currently, it hasn't been traded to, so we're in consolidation. So we would probably, if we're gonna look at taking profits, it'd probably be somewhere around here, just before the high. Of course, we're doing short-term profit taking as far as for my model is concerned. So that's a 15-minute. Change that back to the 2. Go back to 1. And then we have market open at, in a little bit. Look for first presented for value gap after 9:30. We'll be looking for that, see what it's going to do as far as inversion or continuation or whatever. We'll look for kind of a signal using that. And then let's look at our range. So we have somewhere around here to 9:30 open, very small range here. So if anything, we would take profit at targets up here. So that would be the 50. 9:30 market open. I would not mind taking a buy here. Just solid volatility. I don't like to trade this time. As far as like off the rip. Uh, got unemployment claims. Excuse me. Let's see what else we got. Natural gas, 1030. Nothing crazy. Do some cleaning up here. That concerns me here, where we took out a buy side like that real quick and then drove price down. It concerns me to buy anything right now here. I'm gonna wait till, usually you're gonna get breaks of structure. It's not gonna follow structure. You know, during the 930, it's just out there to, you know, take out liquidity, kind of rebalance the day. So we still don't have a gap yet, or a fair value gap. Coming back down to rebalance this price action here while taking out a sell side. Alright, so what we're looking at here, we have a new low, swing low, and then we have the high, retracement, sell side here. So I wouldn't be able to trade off of that, but that is your opening fair value gap, 930. You know what? I kind of like that. Save. I could possibly take a sell here, but there is a little order block here. Could take off that wick sell, but I think I'm just gonna wait. We barely took out that low. We really didn't have a good strong close below that low here. So it looks like just kind of, a quick little manipulation. Just gonna wait and see what happens. If we take out this high, then we'll draw a fib, expect a retracement, and then we can look for yesterday's high level, this little level here, and a couple levels up here. But for right now, we are trading to sell, not to buy, because we broke below this. So if we draw a fib from here to there, we could take shorts because we broke below a support or a lower low. We made a lower low, is what I mean to say. This was a high low, higher low. Then we broke below that, so now we can take shorts. Until we're short until we close above this. I'm just worried about the we had this fair value gap price here that price traded into and saw some really strong rejection, as you can see. So I'm just kind of I saw this as a good potential manipulation move for the market to just take out that sell side and then start moving it higher. Would be nice if we can get a good move away from this, go into this order block here, and then sell back down to it. Might be a good buying opportunity. The only reason why I would take that is because we did take a sell side out, and then we dipped into to rebalance a fair value gap on a discounted area. So if we draw our fib from here to there, this is in discount. If we drew this to there, this is in discount. It's below the 50. So rebalancing that, you can kind of expect a price move like this. Take out, it's perfect, sell side, take out sell side right into a imbalance or a fair value gap, and then for us to push higher. This happens at 9:30 a lot. That's why reading structure, like, higher low, or lower low, or higher low, or higher high, or all those things, is sometimes misleading to take a sell around this area. What was this over here? Why do I have that there? Oh, it's an order block. Now what we're gonna do is, I wouldn't want to take a short here because it's so early in the morning. There is sometimes that I would take a short, but I don't know, my intuition, if you will, doesn't want to let me. And that might be bad. I need to probably just take it anyways, but I'm gonna wait and see. This is where this throws me off. Like, I'll look at these first presented fair value gaps, right? Let's do this here. Let's do middle line as yellow. Let's see. Middle line is yellow. Because I'm afraid that for the 930 fair value gap, and this is what I'll have to, I need to go back and back test this, but I'm afraid that because we are trading above now, we'll use this as support. So taking a sell position like this, especially coming off of taking out a minor sell side into a fair value gap, and then we have a nice price movement higher. I don't know. It was probably, I mean, that looks like a really good sell to me. It would have been a good sell, but it's okay. Because sometimes these things like mess me up. Like 930 fair value gap, wait for it. Like it works sometimes, or for the most part it works. But sometimes it throws me off of like what I would originally do without it. Like if I didn't have this here, know anything about it, I would just trade like, oh, we broke lower here and here. We'll wait for the pullback, pulled back, and then we take a short. But with that being in the way, the fact that we came back up above it, and then I would have waited for inversion. I think we'll do this. We'll wait. This will only be inversion if this took out a high. Took out a high. Now we can treat it as inversion. Maybe. I don't know. I'll have to go back test all that stuff. Look at a higher time frame here. See what we're dipping down into. Have a little tiny. Looks like it's wanting to go towards that sell side, but we'll see. I hate using trend lines, but retail, it's good to kind of see what retail's looking at. Because if we break below here, we're gonna think it's gonna be a breakout. Let's see. We just took out the sell side below here. Alright. So we wicked through the sell side here. We'll just watch what price does. See if we want to go and take out yesterday's low or February 19th low, the day before yesterday's low, or today's low. So we'll check that out. I really wish I took a sell, but that's okay. Alright, and then we're fiddling with this here. We went through it pretty good. Pretty good close through that. Have a huge fair value gap up here. So yesterday and the day before, I've been implementing this, and it's actually given me a pretty good idea of where the market's going to draw to next. For me personally, and maybe for some other people, everyone's looking at these fair value gaps, order blocks for entries. And sometimes, at least for me, I lost sight of market structure. Like, okay, where's this low? This is the low that if we break, we have like a high probability of it, breaking down. So we break, retrace, or break lower, retrace, break lower. Market structure. And I went and I back tested all these market structure moves. So like, let's see, for example, this one right here. We broke below above that. Be market structure move. Or shift. Fib. Trace. We look for a PD array here. And we trade, and then we just take profit there. Boom. Alright. This is now our new high. We look, we have fib here. Alright, we broke down. We would have taken a loss here. Stopped loss short. Broke below that. Okay. So now we trade. You're gonna lose some, but for the majority. So trade fib over here. That way, there's no structure shift here. Okay. And we have a little order block here. Take a short. This as profit, but we can also take partial just above like an order block like that. That's a winner, chicken dinner. We do have this coming up and breaking above this, so we'd have a shift here. and then look for PD array. In this case, we'd use this order block here. Came back down into it, and then target there. So all this little price movement, you can anticipate. We broke structure here, so we can definitely have a movement down off of this range. Take partials or all just before potential reversal, because this price range also traded above, or this price movement also traded above this, so taking a sell here is riskier. Whereas if we have a quick move down and then a move up without forming kind of like a swing high, a micro swing high, then we can expect price to move down. Alright, give me 1 sec. Alright, I'm back. So I think we kind of screwed the pooch on that one. No, I'm joking. We were afraid, and that is okay. It happens. That would have been a great short. We just didn't know about it. we just didn't know about it. I think I don't even know if I want to use 930 for value gaps. Might just use market structure and then optimal trade entry zone and find my find a PD array like an order block or a fair value gap to take a entry off of. And then, you know, there's daily buys and all that stuff, but usually this chart tells you where it's gonna go. Dang, it is tanking. Wonder. See, measure. That is 184. I don't even know where it's going now. We'd have to go out to a higher time frame for that. I see. There was on the daily a shift here. But on the hourly chart, there is a shift here. And then traded into this order block. Hey. Alright, so we are going down. We are going down. Let's see. Let's look for, this is kind of filled. This will be a little road bump. We should see a little bounce back up in here. And then this is not at a discount. At least this isn't. So I think we'll be looking more around this area. Have inversion here. And this one we will do. That is too close to purple. I will just leave it. Yeah, we're going to rebalance that price range here. Kind of clean up our chart. Well, at this point, I think I'm actually gonna end my day. It's my day off. And I actually might make, it's been long overdue. Actually, I need to make some videos, to kind of give my results over the past, 42 days of trading ICT strategies and stuff, and, kind of go over what I learned, so be expecting that. Hopefully I can get a camera up and running and have my face so that you guys know I'm not AI. But okay, I think I'm gonna be done for the day. It was great. I had a great opportunity to kind of give a recap. I had a great opportunity to short up here based off the premises of breaking structure, a shift in structure here. We broke below that and that, making this draw a fib. See, why did the hold on? Why did the market change? I'm gonna start taking screenshots. Like, wait. Cause this, it's different since I've reloaded. Like, this was like way down here and that was way up there and it was... I'm confused. I'm gonna go back in my stream and take screenshots because I must be going crazy. Anyways, besides the point. It looks like it's changed. We had break here. This was the break. These you gotta be careful. This is where, you know, I was kind of hesitant on taking my short, is because we broke, formed a fair value gap, closed above that fair value gap. You could use this as a short term, like, you know, a judo swing, manipulation down, taken out, and then we're just gonna ride up. That's what I was kind of thinking it was gonna do. I did highlight where there's the potential, excuse me, where there's a potential of us going short, which would have been, you know, beautiful. And there's like sell side here that I highlighted, and then yesterday's high and low, and price took out all that. But yeah, it's kind of the what I was thinking for the day. I was more bullish than bearish, but now, kind of in hindsight, looking at the 1 hour chart, we have the break of structure here, and then we have consolidation, trading off this order block, rejection, and finally going down to a discount area, which would be, honestly, it'd be somewhere below here, but you have a fair value gap on the 4 hour here that will offer us a little bit of support before we hopefully go further down. It's kind of what my plan is. I think we'll go further down into these areas down here to take out sell side or rebalance price. So it's kind of what I'm thinking as far as it's going to do. We'll see if it does it. But yeah. Hope you guys have a lovely day, and thanks for watching.